Hey there, and welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our latest reviews and deals. Today, we're talking about the electric air fryer Multifunctional 4.5L without oil convection oven deep fryer. Let me tell you, this little machine has been a game changer in my kitchen. With a capacity of 4.5L and a power of 1400 W, this air fryer can handle anything you throw at it. The best part? It's completely oil-free, making it the healthier choice for all your favorite fried foods. And with its large capacity, you can cook up to 10 chicken wings at a time, perfect for feeding the whole family or entertaining guests. But it's not just for frying. This multifunctional air fryer can handle a variety of foods, from French fries to grilled fish to pizza and more. The food-grade non-stick coating makes cleanup a breeze, and the smart touch display makes it easy to control and monitor your cooking. I've been blown away by the performance of this air fryer, and I know you will be too. So if you're ready to take your cooking to the next level and enjoy healthier, oil-free meals, be sure to check out the electric air fryer Multifunctional 4.5L without oil convection oven deep fryer. You can find the link to purchase in the description below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. And as always, subscribe to our channel for more reviews and deals. Happy cooking!